Hunter ceiling fans use wireless remotes to control fan speed and lighting. Understanding how remote pairing works is essential for troubleshooting and setup. Most new Hunter ceiling fans come pre-paired with their remotes, meaning they work right out of the box. However, pairing becomes necessary when you need to replace a lost remote or add a remote to a fan that didn't previously have one. Pairing establishes a wireless connection between the remote control and a receiver unit. The receiver is typically located inside the fan's canopy or mounting bracket and acts as the communication hub. Remote control problems are the most frequent issue faced by Hunter ceiling fan owners. The most common causes include dead batteries, incorrect remote models, or faulty receivers. Hunter offers different types of remotes. Handheld remotes are portable and convenient, while wall-mounted controls provide a permanent solution that looks like a traditional light switch. Key features vary between remote models. Older models use DIP switches that must match between the remote and receiver. Newer models have a dedicated pair button, usually located behind the battery cover. For successful pairing, stay within 10 to 20 feet of the fan with minimal obstructions. Power cycling the fan by turning it off for at least 10 seconds is often the crucial first step in the pairing process. Step 1. Turn off the power to your ceiling fan. You can do this at the wall switch or at the circuit breaker. This step is crucial for resetting the fan's receiver. Step 2. Wait at least 10 seconds with the power off. This waiting period allows the fan's receiver to completely reset and prepare for pairing mode. Step 3. Restore power to the fan. Turn the wall switch back on or flip the circuit breaker to the on position. The fan should now be ready to enter pairing mode. Step 4. You now have a 3-minute window to complete the pairing process. This timing is critical. The fan's receiver will only accept pairing commands during this brief period after power restoration. Step 5. Choose your pairing method based on your remote type. Different Hunter remotes use different pairing procedures, so it's important to identify which method applies to your specific model. For remotes with DIP switches, you need to ensure the switch positions match exactly between your remote and the fan's receiver. Open the battery compartment to access the switches. Step 6. Look for confirmation signals. Successful pairing is typically indicated by a beep sound, a light blinking, or the fan starting to spin slowly. These signals confirm that your remote is now paired with the fan. If pairing fails, don't worry. Try the process again from the beginning. Check that your remote batteries are fresh, ensure there's no interference from other devices, and make sure you're within range of the fan. If problems persist, consult your fan's manual or contact Hunter customer support.